Upgrading the windows in your Clermont home is more than just an aesthetic improvement, it's an investment that can lead to substantial energy savings. In a climate known for its hot summers, high humidity, and occasional storms, the right window replacement can reduce energy loss, increase comfort, and keep your utility bills in check year-round. Why windows impact your energy bills? Windows are one of the biggest sources of energy loss in a home. Old, single-pane, or poorly insulated windows can allow conditioned air to escape while letting hot, humid air in. This forces your air conditioning system to work harder, especially during Clermont's intense summer months, leading to higher electric bills. Modern windows are designed with advanced insulation technology, such as double or triple panes, gas fills, and low-E coatings, that help control indoor temperatures, reduce HVAC strain, and maintain a comfortable living environment. Key features of energy-efficient windows: double and triple pane glass. These designs feature 2 or 3 layers of glass with an insulating gas, argon or krypton, between them, creating a thermal barrier that drastically reduces heat transfer. Low-E glass coatings. Low emissivity coatings reflect infrared heat while letting in natural light. This keeps interiors cooler in summer and warmer in winter, without increasing your lighting needs. Weather-resistant frame. Vinyl, fiberglass, and composite frames resist warping and provide excellent thermal insulation, making them ideal for Clermont's humid climate. Proper seals and installation. Even the best windows can underperform if installed poorly. Professional installation ensures a tight seal to prevent air leakage and maximize efficiency. How new windows lead to lower utility bills. Reduced cooling costs. With better insulation, your air conditioner doesn't need to run constantly to keep the home cool. This can lead to a 20 to 30% reduction in energy use during peak summer months. Less strain on HVAC system. Efficient windows maintain stable indoor temperatures, reducing wear and tear on your AC and heating systems, potentially extending their lifespan and cutting repair costs. Improved climate control year-round. In addition to keeping the heat out, energy-efficient windows also help trap warmth inside during Clermont's cooler winter days, reducing the need for extra heating. Additional benefits beyond energy savings: noise reduction. Multi-pane designs and insulated frames block outside noise for a quieter home. UV protection. Low-E coatings protect flooring, furniture, and decor from fading. Increased home value. Energy-efficient upgrades appeal to potential buyers, making your property more attractive on the market. Environmental impact. Reduced energy use means a smaller carbon footprint. Choosing the right window replacement for Clermont. When selecting new windows, consider Energy Star ratings. These ensure your windows meet strict efficiency standards. Frame material. Opt for materials resistant to humidity and temperature changes. Glass type. Low-E, double pane, and gas-filled options deliver the best energy savings. Professional installation. Partner with a reputable local company familiar with Clermont's climate and building codes. Final thought. Investing in energy-efficient window replacements can pay off quickly for Clermont homeowners. not only through reduced monthly bills but also through improved comfort, durability, and home value. By choosing the right materials, glass technology, and installer, you'll enjoy a home that stays cooler in summer, warmer in winter, and costs less to run all year long.